Hey guys, this is Sunny from Hubei Auto Part Company. Today, I wanna give you a simple introduction of our factory. Our company was founded in 2006. Now, we have more than 100 employees working in 7 different departments, like business, technical, production, administration, purchasing, finance, and warehousing. In 2016, we got self-export rights and IATF certification. Until now, our partners are more than 30 countries and regions. We specialize in autosensor research and development, and we got a partner relationship with Wuhan Science and Technology University. At present, we have 2 automatic production lines. One is production line, another one is assembly line. Our main products are oxygen sensors, NOx sensors, EGT sensors, ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pumps, and more. Our sales volume can reach 1 million pieces, covering 99.5% car models of the world. Every year, there are 1.5 million oxygen sensors, 0.2 million EGT sensors, and 0.1 million NOx sensors are assembled and exported to the world. If you wanna learn more, follow me.